The Last Coin. It is Christmas time. The air is very cold. The snow makes everything white. A small boy named Tom is walking on the street. He is 7 years old. Tom has a warm hat and a thick coat, but his shoes are old and his feet feel cold. In his hand, Tom holds something very special. It is a shiny coin. It is his last coin. Tom saved this coin for a long, long time. He cleaned shoes for his father. He helped his mother wash dishes. He brought water for his grandma. Every time he got a small coin, he put all the small coins in a small box. He saved, and today he has one big coin. It is enough for one special thing. What is the special thing? It is a gingerbread cookie. Tom loves gingerbread cookies. They smell like Christmas. They taste sweet and warm. Every year, the bakery in town makes big, beautiful gingerbread cookies shaped like stars and little men. Tom dreams of this cookie all year. Today, he will finally buy one. Tom walks quickly to the bakery. He can already smell the sweet ginger and cinnamon in his mind. His stomach rumbles a little. He is hungry. He walks past many shops. Some shops have toys. Some shops have clothes. But Tom only looks ahead to the bakery. The bakery is very warm inside. The windows are full of colorful cakes and breads. Tom sees the gingerbread cookies. They are big and golden brown. He smiles, a very happy smile. He takes his coin. He holds it tight in his hand. Soon, he thinks, soon I will eat the best cookie. He is almost at the bakery door, but then he stops. He sees something on the side of the street. Tom stops walking. He sees an old man sitting on a small wooden bench. The old man is very old. His hair is white like snow. His face has many lines. He wears old, thin clothes. They do not keep him warm in the cold winter air. He is shaking, shake, shake, shake. He looks very cold and very sad. The old man does not have a hat. He does not have thick gloves. He looks at the ground. He does not see Tom. Tom stands still. He watches the old man. He sees the old man rub his hands together, rub, rub, but his hands are still red from the cold. He sees the old man cough a little, cough, cough. Tom looks at his coin. It is in his hand, his gingerbread cookie, his dream cookie. He smells the sweet bakery air again. Cookie. But then he looks at the old man again. The old man looks hungry. He looks very cold. Tom feels two feelings in his heart. One feeling says, "Go, Tom, go to the bakery. Buy your cookie. You saved for it. It's yours." The other feeling says, "Look, Tom, the old man is very cold. He is very hungry. He needs help." Tom stands there for a long time. The snow falls softly around him. His feet are cold, his hands are cold, but his heart feels warm and confused. The gingerbread cookie, his dream. The old man, his pain. What should he do? He holds the coin very tight. He thinks about the warm, sweet taste of the cookie. He thinks about the cold, sad face of the old man. Tom closes his eyes. He takes a deep breath. He makes a choice. It is a hard choice, but it is from his kind heart. He turns away from the bakery. He walks slowly to the old man. Tom walks to the old man. He stands in front of him. The old man slowly looks up. His eyes are old and tired. He looks surprised to see a little boy. "Hello, sir," Tom says. His voice is small but clear. "Hello, little boy," the old man says. His voice is weak. Tom holds out his hand. In his hand there is his last coin, his special coin. "Sir," Tom says, "you are cold, you are hungry." The old man looks at the coin. He looks at Tom's kind face. "This is for you," Tom says. "Please buy something warm, like a hot tea." The old man's eyes become wide. He looks at the coin. He looks at Tom. "Oh, little boy," the old man says, "are you sure? This is your coin?" "Yes," Tom nods his head, "I am sure." The old man takes the coin. His hand is shaky. He looks at Tom for a long time. Then a slow smile comes to his face. It is a warm smile, a real smile. It is a smile full of thanks. "Thank you, little angel," the old man says. "Thank you very much. God bless you." Tom watches the old man stand up slowly. The old man walks into the small cafe next to the bakery. Tom stands there for a moment. The bakery smell is still in the air. The gingerbread cookie is still waiting. But Tom does not feel sad now. He feels a strange warmth in his heart. It is bigger than any cookie. He turns around. He walks home. The snow is still falling. The air is still cold, but Tom does not feel cold anymore. He remembers the old man's smile. That smile is like a warm cup of tea for his heart. It is even warmer and sweeter than a gingerbread cookie. Tom knows he made the right choice. This is the true meaning of Christmas, sharing love and kindness. When he gets home, his mother asks, "Tom, did you buy your cookie?" Tom smiles a big, happy smile. "No, Mom," he says, "I gave my coin. I got something better." His mother looks at him confused. "I got a warm feeling, Mom," Tom says. "It feels like Christmas in my heart." His mother hugs him tight. She understands. Message for the listener. And that is the end of our story, The Last Coin. Tom gave his last coin. He gave up his dream cookie. But what did he get in return? He got the warmth of kindness. He got the joy of helping someone. That feeling is a true treasure. The message of this story is, the best gifts are not things we buy. They are acts of kindness and love. Sometimes giving away our last coin can fill our hearts with the greatest wealth. Thank you for listening to Happy Smile English. We hope this story warmed your heart this Christmas. Please support our channel. Subscribe for more heartwarming stories. Like this video if you believe in kindness. Share this story with someone you love. Merry Christmas and goodbye.